Good day, my name is Robert Farrell. I'm an online marketer, trainer, musician, etc., working online since 1995. Now I play saxophone, guitar, piano, but not at the same time. Hey, most of you artists out there are not working smart online. Many of you are doing the Zoom thing, which is great. I have a platform that works with Zoom, but I have a platform that monetizes Zoom. Now, I realize that Zoom you can monetize through PayPal, but guess what they don't have? They don't have my marketing tools. Again, I've been doing online marketing training since 1995. Do I have all the answers? Oh, hell no. So sit back, relax, and let me share with you how you can make thousands of dollars on your next event with just 25 fans, starting out with 25 fans and a $10 ticket. Let me share with you how it's done. So you go to my website, which is couchconcerts.live. I have tons and tons of online videos, step-by-step, to share with you how this is done. I offer a complete turnkey system based on my 25 years of experience. Now, have I made mistakes? Oh yeah. Do I have all the answers? No. You'll never hear me say the word guru, mastermind, and special sauce. I'm going to share with you plain old simple math of how this can be done. How you can make thousands of dollars from your next Zoom webcast from your couch with maybe your other musician friends, artists, comedians, drama people, doesn't matter. So watch this. Now, I want you to have a fan base of at least 25 people that are willing to pay $10. But I also want to incentivize them with the greed factor. Yes, we should all be motivated by money. Money makes the world go around. You can't pay your rent with likes. You can't pay your rent with a nice song. You can't pay rent with your charm. Although my girlfriend probably could pull that one off. Anyway, so watch this. Now keep in mind, you don't want to launch a live web event tomorrow. You want to give yourself a good 4 to 6 weeks to basically promote it. But in the meantime, you can still take in money right away. So I have a complete turnkey system. You can get paid by any way you choose. You can get paid through Amazon Pay, PayPal, Authorize.net, Stripe. I have many, many different payment options. Now, here's one thing I want to share with you before we go any further. The reason my platform is different than any other streaming service out there is all the money goes in your pocket. You just pay me a fee either once every 3 months or once a year, and that's it. I'm not going to talk about money right now. I want you to get excited about these numbers. So again, if I look at my calculator, if you have 25 people that pay you $10, that's $250. Well, wait a second, Robert. You told me how I can have 25 people pay me thousands. That doesn't sound like thousands. Well, here's what you're not paying attention to. My system enables you to incentivize those fans. What do I mean by that? Well, again, this doesn't happen overnight. Okay? You want to promote your shows 4 to 6 weeks. Now, of course, I'm keeping 25 people as a base. I'm sure most of you probably have 100 people, 500 people. Maybe some of you have 1,000 people in your email marketing list of fan base. But again, listen to me about this. So if I close this window here for a second, so if you take those 25 fans and you want to incentivize them to be greedy, okay? So we're going to get those 25 fans. We're going to pay those 25 fans when they recommend somebody. We're going to pay them $2 a piece. Okay. Now you can pay them whatever you want. You want to pay them out of $10. You want to pay them $5. You want to pay them $8. It doesn't matter. My software enables you to do exactly that. In fact, my software is so flexible that you can choose to pay Joe $3, Jennifer $6, and Mindy. Everybody loves Mindy. Hey. We're charging $10 for a webcast. We're paying Mindy $9. Hey, have you guys seen Mindy? Anyway, so let's get back to this. So if 25 people, again, it could take 4 to 6 weeks to build up to this. If they sent you 5 people apiece, so that's 25 times 5. That's 125 people that are paying you $10 apiece. So that's now well over $1,000. But wait a second, Robert, I'm paying them $2. Okay, so let's do this again. It's full transparency. 25 people. Now those 25 people paying $10, you're already making $250, right? So 25 people times 5 is 125, and again, you're paying them $2 each, so you're only making $8. So that's times 8 plus your original $250. That's still over $1,000. Now, I know I said a $10 ticket. Let's up the ante a little bit. So let's say you charge a $15 ticket and you pay them $5. Okay? So again, people are going to get really excited when they're making $5 for a concert that they believe in, your fan base. Why not? So if you're now charging $15 for your 90-minute, 50-minute, 45-minute live webcast, again, it could be from your couch. It could be from any place. You get your whole band together and do whatever you want through Zoom. Zoom is the platform you definitely want to use. This is a way of monetizing it. So again, if you take those $15, let's put that aside for a second. And again, 25 people. Now let's say that they're a little bit more adventurous rather than sending you 5 people in a 4 to 6 week period because they're really excited about your music. Now, I don't know if you're familiar with the term FOMO, fear of missing out. Well, people don't like to miss out on real live practical opportunities. So watch this. So let's say there's 25 people, send you 8 people apiece. So again, that's 25 times 8. Okay? So that's 200 people. 200 people that are paying you $15 a piece. So now that's $3,000. Now wait a second, Robert. I still have to pay them out $5. Okay. So that's 25 times 8 times, instead of making $15, you're making $10 times 10. So now you basically have netted, after paying out your referrals, $2,000. But wait, what about the original 25 people that basically, I'm going to take that number, copy. What about the 25 people who paid you $15? That's $375 plus the $2,000. That's now $2,375. So again, this is totally doable. My software enables you to do this. There's nothing like this out there. And if you think I'm full of shit, stop the video right now and go back to what you're doing. Go offer your free Zoom course at concerts. Oh, please, can you tip my PayPal? Hey, have conviction. Believe in your art form. Don't be shy. Don't go cheap. Oh, people can only afford $5. Hey, maybe your friends can only afford $5. The world is out there. Okay? Keep in mind, the average ticket sale nowadays is about $125. Now, I'm not suggesting that you charge $125 for your live event, but I'm sure you can charge, if you have a good enough fan base, you could charge $25 for that event and have fan interaction. My platform also enables you to have audio downloads, video downloads, password protected, sell them in a premium, hats, merchandise. I have a complete system. My system works. Now, let's go one step further. I'm considering doing this. My software will do this, but it could get a little tricky and overwhelming. So let's examine this for a second. Let me hide the camera. My software will do this, but it's up to you if you want to do this. If you want to do this, this is great. So let's go back to that $10 ticket. So if you have 25 people that recommend 5 people. Now, what's cool about my system, that's now 125 people. So you can actually incentivize the people that referred you to the people that referred you. Okay, so you can go one level down. My software does that. Now, so that's now 125 people. Now, those 125 people only sent you 3 people a piece. Forget 5 and 8. Let's be conservative here. So that's times 3. So that's now 375 people coming to your concert, paying you $15. Now that's over $5,000 minus whatever commission you had to pay out. Okay, you see the potential here? So let's dream a little bit. Do you like to dream? So let's say that you had a base of 100 fans. Now, some of you have more than that. And maybe it takes you the next 6 months to build up to this, a fan base. Okay? Now, keep in mind, it doesn't have to be, when this COVID thing's over, you can still do online marketing and online events. They could be a counter They could be an add-on to your live event. So let's say you have a fan base, you're from St. Louis, and you're doing a show in San Francisco. What, you don't think your local St. Louis people aren't going to want to log on and see your live show? Of course they are. Hey, give the local people a break. So if you have 100 people that only shared 5, and those 500 people shared 3, let's again be conservative. I don't want to fill your head with nonsense. Let me go to the calculator. So now that's 1,500 people. 1,500 people coming to your show. 1,500 people coming to your show that are paying you $15 or $10. It doesn't matter. Okay. I'm sorry. Glengarry Glen Ross, Alec Baldwin. Do I have your attention now? I'm sorry. Do I have your attention? So let's do that again. Okay. So again, if you have a fan base, and again, if you don't have it already, let's work up to that, starting out with 10, the power of 10 times 10. So if you have 100 fans who recommended 5 fans each, and out of those 5 fans, they recommended 3 fans each. So that number is now 1,500 fans coming to your webcast, your Zoom webcast. You with me? Is this exciting or what? Again, if you think I'm full of shit, then don't do it. Nothing happens when you choose to do nothing. I run my entire online training programs. I've been training online since '95, and I've made a lot of mistakes and I wasted a lot of money. But in the past, since 2008, I got this down to a science. It works. But again, nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. And there's nothing positive about being negative. So again, that's 1,500. And if those 1,500 people only paid you after paying out commissions, let's say you had to pay the first level of people $3 and the second level of people $2, so you paid out 5, you keep 5 times 5. Okay, can you use 7,500 bucks? Okay, so it's numbers. And again, let's go back to that number again. You have 100 people. You have 100 people, let's say your people are a little bit more aggressive, times all the 100 people send you 5 people, and out of 500 people, they send you 500 people. Now that's 2,500 people.
Sorry, I couldn't quite hear you.
2,500, I don't know what caused Siri to go up, sorry about that. 2,500 people, if you were to charge $20, $15, it doesn't matter. But 2,500 people, if you're now netting $10 a piece, oh, again, do I have your attention now? There's no other system like this out there that's monetizing Zoom the right way. Now, again, Zoom just basically added a couple of features with PayPal, but there's no way to monetize and incentivize the people coming to your show. Wouldn't it be nice? Everybody, hey, COVID is happening right now, guys and girls, people from New Jersey. Why not capitalize on this in the right way? Why not allow your friends to ride your coattails? And allow you to ride my coattails, because I have a system that works. Now, what do you want to do for the next step? The next step is, I'm not asking you to spend a dime. Simply click the link below, go to my Facebook chat bot, and watch the rest of my in-depth training videos. There's no catches, there's no gimmicks here. I don't need your email address. I'm not going to spam you. In fact, the advantage of watching the rest of my videos inside of my Facebook chatbot is, A, you can interact with me through messaging, which is great. I'll get back to you right away. 2, Facebook doesn't allow you to spam past 24 hours. What do I mean by that? If you go into my chatbot, first of all, I present you with, hey, how are you today, Joe, Bill, Jennifer? Do you want to subscribe or unsubscribe to my future services or future videos? Yes or no? Very simple. Now, even if you say yes, I'm not allowed to engage you after 24 hours. That is a Facebook rule. I can lose my Facebook account, and guess what? I'm not a stupid person. I don't want to lose my Facebook account. So the advantage of marketing with chatbot and engaging your clients, your fan base with chatbot, first of all, email is bullshit. Email is used by scammers and spammers. Yeah, you double opt in, yada, 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 and then I got a list of email 20 miles long. The advantage of a chatbot, it's you and it's them. It's your personal time to shine and share with you their event. I highly suggest, and I have free training videos for this, All my training videos are free. I have free training videos on how you can use chatbot to build up your fan base, to interact with them, to offer different incentives. By the way, my platform, you can have a pre-show VIP special pass that maybe for $25 you get the show plus the fan base interaction before and after the show. Totally up to you. All the prices, everything you offer on my platform is totally up to you, and 100% of all the money goes in your pocket, minus with PayPal or Authorize.net or anybody else charges. Usually it's about 4%. It's not much. So if you were to charge $15 for a live event, PayPal would take 63 cents, I think it comes out to. So get online, work smart, click the link below, go to my chatbot, watch the rest of my videos. If you watch the rest of my videos on my platform and you think, hey, Robert, watch them, I think you're full of shit, you know what I want you to do? I want you to come back to this YouTube channel or go to my Facebook page and say, I watched Robert's videos and I think he's a total ass clown. I think he's full of shit and yada, 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 yada. I don't care. I believe in what I do and I want you to believe in what you do. Now, again, let me be very candid with you about something. I make 100% no guarantees of anything. If you don't do a webcast, how can you possibly make money? I provide the O word, opportunity. So it's kind of like saying, how many pizzas can I earn from if I don't own a pizza store? How many tickets, how many concerts can I sell out if I don't do a concert? How many webcasts can I monetize if I don't do a Zoom webcast? Bingo. Nothing happens when you choose to do nothing. Now, I don't want to make this a half-hour video here, but I also want to get you excited with the fact that if you go back to my website, I have incentive programs for once you get your own website, I have different incentive programs for how you can basically earn a lot of money offering my websites. Oh, that's what it's about, Robert. You just want to sell your websites. No, I want you to make money. I'm a very selfish person. You know who else is selfish? Jeff Bezos, who owns Amazon, Mark Cuban. Every business person out there online is selfish. Because if you're making money, they're making money. Now, again, I make absolutely not a dime from your live events. Where I am going to make money is when you refer a musician friend of yours, artist, to my platform, and then I will pay you handsomely, 20% minimum. Now, the reason I say minimum, because if I know you're grinding and hustling, believe me, we're partners. I'm going to take care of you. So thanks again for being here. Check out my chatbot. I have a complete no spam policy. I don't need your email address. And I cannot interact with you after 24 hours without you re-interacting with me. You have to be proactive about this. So if you watch my videos and again, you think I'm full of shit or you don't want to interact with me, you'll never hear from me again. It's just that simple. Of course, if you check out some of my other videos on YouTube. Anyway, thanks again for being here. Stay home, stay safe, stay positive. There's nothing positive about being negative. And nothing happens when you choose to do nothing. I am sincerely here to help you earn by my favorite hashtag, working smart online. Most people don't. They can't get out of their own way. I want to make this learning experience positive, and I want you to put some serious money into your pocket. Thanks again for being here. Have a good day.